What's up guys, Lewis back with another video, and today I'm just taking you behind the scenes because we've got a shoot with this bagged Golf R. His name's Adam Crawley, or modified of Masterclass. Yeah, I don't know what he's a master of. What's the Masterclass in, Adam? What are you going to teach me? But yeah, I'm just going to basically do some behind the scenes shots. It's going to be shot on my iPhone, but if you watch the behind the scenes of the S14 video, it's not too bad, it's watchable. I like filming everything in 4K. So yeah, we're gonna go to the first spot, which is near an airport. It's a nice like strip of road. I've got a good story for this video, so by the time you've seen this video, you've probably already watched the main video. So yeah, so let's go.
So mileage to put my finger in front of the camera. He's so motivated though. Oh, yeah, all the time, yeah, it's so good. Yeah, so you know. Worth it though. I'm just filming the outro now, so the screen got to here, so it's like perfect time. Yes, give me 1 minute. Right guys, so that brings us to the end of the video. As you can see, like, that's how I shoot a typical photo and video car shoot. Little behind the scenes for you. So I hope you enjoyed that. And if you want to create that nighttime heat, oh yeah. Wow. The link is in the bio for the preset packs. So cop one of those, get the same sort of editing style that I do. More of that to come, my boys. So my YouTube is like 98% males. So when you hear me say my boys, that's why. If you enjoyed the video, help me out by pushing like or press it, spam it, do whatever you want to it. Subscribe and comment your thoughts below. Let me know if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.